Over $200 million just poured into crypto this week, folks, and that's not even counting the big showdown brewing. First up, it looks like the big players ain't slowing down. You know MicroStrategy, right? The company that basically stacks Bitcoin like it's going out of style. Well, they just went and scooped up another $109 million worth of BTC. That's a serious chunk of change, showing they're still all in on Bitcoin as the ultimate digital gold. It's a clear signal that institutions see Bitcoin as a long-term play, a solid asset to hold on to. This is not financial advice, but it ain't just Bitcoin getting all the love. Ethereum, the network that powers everything from NFTs to decentralized finance, or DeFi for short, which is basically financial services built on blockchain without banks, well, it just got a major vote of confidence too. Word on the street is Tom Lee's Bitmine just dropped a cool $130 million to grab 44,000 ETH. That's a massive investment, highlighting that the smart money sees huge potential in Ethereum's ecosystem and its future upgrades. This is not financial advice. Now, for some good old-fashioned crypto rivalry, we're talking about a real dominance fight between Cardano and Bitcoin Cash. Cardano, or ADA, is known for its academic approach, focusing on peer-reviewed research to build a secure and scalable platform. Think of it as the brainy kid on the block, always trying to innovate with a focus on sustainability and smart contracts. Then you got Bitcoin Cash, or BCH, which was born out of a disagreement over how to scale Bitcoin itself, aiming for faster and cheaper transactions to be a better digital cash for everyday use. Both these coins are battling it out, trying to prove their value and capture more of the market. It's a classic heavyweight bout, with each trying to show why they're the better option for the future of decentralized money. The competition is fierce, and it's always interesting to see which one gains the upper hand. So whether you're watching the big institutional buys or the epic showdowns between altcoins, it's clear the crypto world ain't ever boring. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.